Today I want to show you some amazing samosa folding techniques. These techniques are very simple. Now, let's get started. Before that, we need to make the sticky liquid. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons flour. Our second ingredient is water. Now mix both ingredients well together. There should not be any lumps. Take your paper sheet and let's start. In this video I showed you how to make samosas and samosa sheets. Click on the I or click the link in the description below. Let's get back to our video. Cut a round shaped sheet. Now do the same as I do. Then fill your samosa with the filling. These were the 3 amazing folding techniques. I hope you liked that video.